Hello! Today I'm going to spend some time here in front of our garden, and I need to repair all of these pieces of broken covering or textile or how, so I will put new pieces of textile here, and on the top I am going to use these pieces of wood. And I know that a lot of people think this is dumb idea, but I don't care. I think this is brilliant, and I am going to do on this whole area. I have to say it will be a lot of work. I am not saying that not. It will be a lot of work to cut pieces on this size, but I think it will last a long time and it will be much better than bark. I want this piece of garden to be very low maintenance, so I don't want to spend a lot of time maintaining it, so we choose this variant and I think it will be much better than before. Previously we had bark and it was looking something like this. This is our neighbor garden and it was looking good for about 2 years, but afterwards it was looking like this. As you can see here, it is just a lot of weed because this is growing on the top of the textile and inside the bark, because there is bark is decomposting and it is basically extremely good for roots, for any type of seeds and wheat and anything. As wood source I am going to use this old wood from Pallets, and basically it is from scrap material. This is pallets, all different of kinds. I already disassembled them. You can see, handle with care, a lot of nails, and I am going to cut it on small pieces. Of course I am going to take out the nails, basically cut out. I don't need, I am going to use just pure wood, or here you can see this is already rotten wood. And I might also use this old raised bed because I don't need it. I am going to create new one, and here is a lot of good material. It is almost broken. It is still holding, but I can cut these pieces and it will be a good source of material for my front garden here as well. And many people will ask, well, I don't have pallets, I don't have this material. Just if you are driving around some companies, look around, and because in my area as well I can see a lot of companies don't know what to do with this waste material, with pallets or woods, and they are basically throwing them in the front yard of company, and they want to basically get rid of it. So just simply ask. There is a simple way. And again, it is a lot of work, so this is not for lazy guys, and I will do it probably for a few days. Not only today, but yeah, it is what it is. By the way, this is quite sharp, so I am very careful with this, and if you are not sure, don't do it, simply because you will cut your hands off. If you don't know how to do it, don't do it. And this is how it looks. I think it is looking very nice, and after few days all the wood will be almost the same color because of sunshine and rain and so on. So it is basically outside, so it will turn all the same color, and this material will not decompose easily. As you can see, it is quite big, thick pieces, and this will last for many years. I think that at least 10 years, but my guess it's 15 or 20 years. And after these plants will grow a little bit bigger, this one will be big one, this should be big as well, so it needs some time for growing, and it will be even nicer. So yeah, I like it a lot. I did the same in this area, as you can see here with these trees, so yeah, I like it. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and have a nice day.